Exciting time! Unboxing time! Let's unbox this together. Oh, this is quite big. Ta-da! Okay, this is what I've got. So I've got this from Amazon. It is from Rollingdog tools. So they've got lovely tools for painting, different kind of tools. So the one that I've got is the 10-piece roller set. Because it's springtime now, it's time to upgrade the wall in the bathroom. You know, the molds in the bathroom during winter time is accumulating, and it turned out like gray now. I've got the tools now and I'm ready to paint. Okay, spring cleaning time. It's time to paint the bathroom because it's moldy. And I'm gonna paint that one now. As you can see, it's moldy and it is disgusting. Before painting, I'm gonna show you what I've got from Rollingdog. I've got the 10-piece paint roller set. So I've got this sturdy 23cm paint tray, and I've got this mini roller frame and the 23cm roller frame. I've got the 2 pieces polyester roller sleeves and the 4 pieces mini roller sleeves and the 3-section extension pole. So this is 90cm length. Let's start. I already assembled my extension pole and I'm ready to paint. Now I'm gonna try the small roller to reach the corner. Actually, this paint is for damp seal, so it's like treating the ceiling so the mold is not gonna come back anymore. I'm done treating and painting the ceiling. As you can see, it's all white now. It's back to white color. It used to be moldy up there, so I've just treated it and painted with white using this 10 pieces roller set I got from Rollingdog. Use the big roller sleeve and the small one. I use it in the corner. Guys, if you want to get yours, I'm gonna link here in the description, and this is from Amazon.